Hi guys, welcome to Mercy's Empire. This is your Kenyan girl, originally from Eldoret, city of champion. So guys, I have been doing videos about Eldoret, my beautiful city, my beautiful town. And you remember I brought you to the interchange, the new interchange roads that are newly constructed in Eldoret, or rather Uasin Gishu. So today I am in this point at Moi Barracks, the bullet factory. I passed on this road, guys, when I was showing you the previous video, that road there, going to K interchange, but I skipped showing you this parking that I saw. It's a parking for the trailers. The trailers, the big trucks that are going to Kampala, Southern Sudan, Rwanda. So it looked like, because the stopover is always at Juakali, they have changed that stopover. It will be around here. So you can see it's a parking for the trucks. Yeah, that's a parking. It's so huge. It is both in the left side and in the right side. So right now we are in the right side, parking with Irene. Irene is down there. Irene Zab. Kindly go check her on her YouTube channel at Irene Zab. And then on the left side, down there, I'll take you up to there. There's another parking there. It's gonna be massive. Right now it's not functional, but I think this is the future. This is where the trucks parking. All that behind me, all that stopover going to Kampala or Eldoret or Nairobi for the trailers, trailer trucks. So let's go around as I show you this stop point or parking point for the trailers. It's windy, guys. It's windy. What? It's too massive. It is too huge. It's going down to there. So the interchange for Mail Tisa, it's there. That's the interchange there. That's the interchange. So it's just some few meters to the interchange. So the interchange is there. See how the cars are going? That's the interchange. The Mail Tisa interchange. We'll take you up to there. So that's the interchange. So from the interchange, just meters away, you get this parking for trucks. So let's head on. It's too huge, guys. I've never seen a parking so huge like this. The reason why I'm telling you it's a parking for the truck, even the lanes that are being demarcated here, they're too long. Do I say they're too long? Check from almost here. Are you seeing the yellow line? So the yellow line is starting from here. You see there are many like that, yeah, up to there. So the line is here, it goes up to there. That is 1, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There is another one. So there is 1 parking, 2 parking, 3 parking, the 4th parking. It goes like that. These are the parkings. It's a parking lot for the trailers. You see, like those ones, in future they are not supposed to park there. They're supposed to come and park here. Yeah, looks like a field. Yeah, see how it is. See how it is. This is Eldoret, Uasin Gishu in Kenya. The stopover for the trailers. Yeah. So that's right, Irene there. Guys, I've been running. That's why I'm breathing so hard. Look at that. So beautiful, guys. The yellow lines you see here. It's parking lot for trailers. Guys, tell me in the comment section, do you feel like people around here, those people having these houses here, are so lucky? Do you know why? I was just thinking, these people living around here, I'm just thinking, in future when all this trailer will be parking here, where will the driver be sleeping, taking their food, going to a toilet, or maybe resting from fatigue? They need some hotels here. So I think these people are lucky. If it's not a government land, if it's not Mubarak's land, then you can construct a hotel here. You see, around here, a nice hotel. I'm not sure, because I've seen people constructing houses like that. If it's not a government land, then these people here are sitting on a fortune, because they'll have to construct some hotels here. Don't you think so? But if it's a government land, too bad. Yeah.
Like I think this is the market for the trucks.
Yeah.
So I expect more small hotels here.
Yeah. So guys, that is my friend Irene, all the way from Nairobi.
Hey guys, welcome to Mercy's channel.
Yeah.
We are here, we're working like crazy. So I'm here with Mercy. Mercy's showing me around.
Yeah.
You're such a wonderful friend. If you don't have a friend like Mercy, you need to find to find one.
You need to find a friend like me.
Yes, you need to find a friend like Mercy.
Thank you.
Yes.
Guys, I've just decided to take Irene round. Yeah. So I'm just touring her around my city of Champion, where I originally come from. So guys, subscribe to my channel. Also subscribe to Irene Zab's channel.
You guys, like I'm really requesting you. I told Mercy I'm not going to leave Eldoret till you do what?
Yeah, I reached 1K.
Yes.
Almost there. I can't see it. I'm just seeing it's just meters away. Guys, kindly support your girl from Eldoret, Uasin Gishu, home of champions.
Yes, please subscribe to Mercy. Let us get her to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Yeah. Let us get By the way, we need to get Mercy's channel monetized by the end of January.
Yeah.
So that we can go in this journey together.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is parking number 1. And then are you seeing there's a road here? I'll show you this road.
Yes.
We are walking up to the interchange. So there's another parking there to the left side. This is the right side. So this is a very massive parking. Whoever constructed this or planned this really thought of the truck drivers.
Yeah.
They drive long kilometers from Mombasa Port to Southern Sudan, Kampala, Kenya. Those are so many kilometers. So, Irene, let's go. Kindly subscribe to Irene Sub's channel.
Yes,
too.
please come.
Yeah.
We're heading to 10,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
Yes.
10,000 subscribers. Yeah. That's it. So we are going up to there where the interchange is changing. Remember the last video I showed you when I was driving? Today we are walking up to there. See when people are coming to just rest there with their girlfriends. Yeah, somebody wearing a red t-shirt. They're just resting there. So guys, we are on top of the interchange, the Butterfly Interchange of Mail Tisa. Let me show you why I'm calling it butterfly. Look like a butterfly from the middle road, the left road on my left, where the taxi is passing, and the other one on the right, the left and the right. The butterfly, like it goes like that. It looks like a butterfly. So let me cross on the other side so that I show you the butterfly sign nicely. Yeah, here you have to be so careful when you're crossing, because you might be checking the cars that are coming straight, but the ones that are climbing from the butterfly wing, you didn't see them. You have to be so very careful. So this is the middle. So let's see the butterfly that I'm talking about. Look at that. Are you seeing like a butterfly? This is one wing of the butterfly. And that's the other wing of the butterfly. And the middle road going to main road of Uganda Road, going to Eldoret, Mombasa, Nairobi, and Kampala, Southern Sudan on the other side. So those trucks are from, the blue truck is from Kampala, and the one that is approaching is going to Kampala, maybe Kampala, maybe Bungoma. Yeah. So subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe, comment, and share. Guys, there is a content in a content, a movie in a movie. So people who are recording, here. come to the end of this video, guys. Yeah, subscribe, comment and share. I was showing you by foot how the Mail Tisa interchange, the butterfly interchange looks like on foot, and I'm sure you can see it from behind there. Yeah, you can see it. So I came with my friend Irene Zab, so I was showing you how it looks like when you're on top by foot, and you have to be so careful in case you're coming here to take a photo or anything, because the cars are coming in a butterfly way, butterfly mode. Yeah, and dropping down in a butterfly mode, so you have to be very, very careful. Comment, subscribe and share, and let's meet on the next one. But before I end this video, kindly subscribe to Irene Zab's channel.
Oh, we are here. Please subscribe.
Yeah.
Let us get Mercy to 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
So I'm stuck here because of this person.
Yeah, you're not you're not going anywhere. You'll be here. I've taken you captive. You'll be here in Eldoret. So
Yeah, so please guys, let us grow. Help us